Hey, welcome back to our card today. We're drawing and coloring a carrot for beginners. So grab a paper and let's get started. So yeah, first we will start with a shape like kind of like this. Then we're going to mirror it towards the right. Just do the same active movement and take it all the way back and connect it towards this point. Now over here we're drawing three ovals like these, overlapping each one. Draw it like this. And that's what we're going to do now. We'll say we're going to start inking as well as coloring this. Once you're done, that's pretty much it. That's a draw and color. Okay, type into this lesson. Make sure you check out this video here and the playlist over here. So that's it for this video. I'll see you right there.